I'm sick of looking crazy, so I forced my mom to do my hair because she's a personal hairstylist. Just need to get her on my personal payroll. Getting inches, baby. So my hair is done and dusted. I just need to blend my natural hair with the hair. It kind of blend, but obviously not fully. I'm so sick of wigs because look at the glue on my forehead. It's crazy. But Buffy is thick. It flows. We didn't end up using all the hair. We just used the 24 and 22 inches because there was 24, 22, and 18 inch.
Concentrate on the sound of my voice, allowing it to ground you into the present moment, giving yourself permission right now to focus on you. If you get distracted by a thought or a sound, simply acknowledge that it occurred, and then gently let it go and return your attention to your breath. When we're stressed or anxious about something, it's often because we don't feel we have control over it.
You two are interrupting my meditation.
Begin seated and just finding some movement within the neck, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Just a really gentle movement here. So maybe rocking the head side to side or just finding a circular motion. Going both ways here. Hips. You can also rest your torso over a pillow as well, as many as you need.
The Nadia is so good.
Oh, yes, good. Oh, my booty looks bootylicious.
The African done. The white people done. Done.
Got the African lady in the building. Trying to light up the cold. The real African way.
Pay it until you cash.
Oh, I'm dead. I want some corn. Yeah. I don't want to hold it. But carry it, because you're African. You used to... Yeah, basically. My hands are still fragile. Okay, so today I'm making cocktail for the first time. I am making a Lychee Martini. It could turn out good or it could turn out bad. We need syrup. I'm not sure how much syrup we need, but we're just gonna measure according to how much I think I need. We need some Lychee alcohol. This smells so good. Mom, please go away. Thank you. Some dry alcohol. That can go in here. Maybe put 2. Some Lychee, the canned version. We just need the juice. A lemon. I learned this trick on TikTok. If you put a lemon in the microwave for 20 seconds, it makes the juice to come out more. So we're gonna see if it actually works. I actually don't have the squeezing stuff. I don't know the name for the lemon, so I'm just gonna use the African version. Shake, 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 shake.
I don't know if it's sweet or not. What's inside?
Taste it, don't worry. Just try it.
It's really good.
Tastes like alcohol.
Yes.
Cheers. They made it too sweet.
Just the way I like it. Can you make more?
Go away, bro.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.